Women can sense weakness instantly. If you show these 11 signs, they'll lose respect for you without saying a word. Stick around to learn how to fix them fast. Welcome to the channel where we break down powerful psychology and mindset shifts to help you become the strongest version of yourself. If you're tired of feeling overlooked, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. 1. Lack of confidence. Confidence isn't about arrogance. It's about self-assurance. If you hesitate, second-guess, or seek constant validation, women will sense it instantly. 2. Being too agreeable. If you never challenge her thoughts or stand your ground, she won't see you as a leader, just another follower. 3. Seeking external validation. A strong man doesn't need approval. The moment you rely on others to feel worthy, you give away your power. 4. Being indecisive. Women respect a man who knows what he wants. If you're always whatever you want, you come across as weak. 5. Lack of purpose or ambition. Without a clear goal, you become replaceable. Women are drawn to men with vision, not those drifting through life. 6. Emotional instability. If you lose your temper or get overly emotional, it signals weakness. Control your emotions, or they will control you. 7. Fear of rejection. Rejection is part of life. A weak man avoids it, while a strong man embraces it and grows. 8. Trying too hard to impress. Women see through fake confidence. Real power comes from authenticity, not showing off. 9. Being overly clingy. Neediness is repelling. The moment you prioritize her over your own growth, you lose attraction. 10. Not setting boundaries. A man without boundaries gets walked over. Respect starts with self-respect. 11. Ignoring self-improvement. The world respects men who evolve. Stagnation equals weakness. If you recognize any of these signs in yourself, don't worry. It's never too late to change. The first step? Awareness. The next? Action. Hit that like button, subscribe, and watch this next video to level up your mindset and confidence.